Hello everyone, welcome back to TSInfo YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will explain about how to reverse an array in Power Automate by using the reverse function. Browse make.powerautomate.com in your browser and open it with your Microsoft credentials. Then it will automatically navigate to the Power Automate homepage. If you have already logged in with your Microsoft credentials, then type make.powerautomate.com in the browser. Then it will automatically navigate to the Power Automate homepage. In the Power Automate homepage, click on Create button. After that, select Instant Cloud Flow. In the Instant Cloud Flow, select the trigger, manually trigger a flow and click on Create button. So the trigger has been added to the Power Automate Flow Studio. After that, take the action as initialize variable. In the initialize variable, provide the name. I will be taking name as names and type as array because we are performing it on array. And in the value, I will create an array based on some names. So click on expression to create an array. Take create array. After that, I will be taking some names. After taking the names to create an array, click on add button. After that, take compose flow action. In the compose flow action, I will take the reverse function to create or reverse the array that we have created. So add reverse function and take variables from the dynamic content. So I have taken names. Click on add. After that, save the flow and test it. Click manually radio button and select test and click on run flow. Click on done. See, now the flow has been ran successfully. Initially, we have given the array values as Lydia, John and Rose. In the compose action, we will get it in a reversed manner, that is Rose, John and Lydia. Reverse function does nothing but it will reverse the order of the elements or of a collection in a reversed manner. So the same example I will explain with the SharePoint list. This is the SharePoint list I will use for this example. In the leave request, there is a column called employee name. I wanted to reverse the values of employee name column. So let me go back to the Power Automate. And in the Power Automate, first I will get the items of SharePoint list. So I will take get items flow action. In the get items flow action, take the parameters like site address and the list name. And the list name is this is the leave request list name. After that, take an initialized variable flow action and provide the name as employee name and type as array. So I wanted to append this employee name values to an array. So I will take append array variable. Append to array variable and select the name from drop down. In the value, give it from dynamic content. Employee display name. When we give the employee display name, it will automatically add it for each loop. And in the compose flow action, I will add the reverse function to reverse the values of employee names. Reverse variables of initialized variable. Click on add. Now the flow is ready. Click on save. Test the flow. Test it manually and select test. After that, continue. Click on run flow. Now you can see the flow ran successfully, and within the compose flow action, the employee names has been in a reversed manner. but actually the employee names is in a manner of Lydia and ends with an Johnny Sherman. But here in the compose flow action, we can see the first name as Johnny Sherman and last name as Lydia Holloway. This, this is how to reverse an elements or items in an array of Power Automate by using Power Automate reverse function. For more video tutorials on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power BI, and Power Automate, like, share, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon. See you in the next video.